Alrighty guys, let's talk. Alright, I just found out some more information. I'm gonna let these screenshots roll by. And guys, remember we talked about inputs. That's the starter relay is needed to allow for cranking. Okay, it's not getting all the input. It's not getting the ground signal at pin 85. And there are some inputs that's required to get that input. And one of them, guys, we left off, brake input. Guys, this is a push start, okay? So in order for the push start to work, one have to step on the brake, right? Now you notice those two fault codes. First of all, the ABS module is off the bus, okay? And also, so there's no brake input going to the PCM because that input is bust from the ABS module. So technically, if the ABS module is dead, you likely will not be able to start your car.
Alrighty guys, here we go. Oh my goodness. You talk about a pain in the butt, guys. Yes, that's the new one. Finally got it on there, guys. I didn't want to film or show y'all how I got it on there. One of the reasons why is because it looked extremely reckless. All right, now for the record, mechanics gonna do what they have to do to get something done. It may not always include, y'all know I'm honest with y'all, right? I'm straightforward. Hey, shoot straight from the hip. I know it's some perfect guys out there that are gonna complain in the comments. Oh, I can't believe you did that. Look, all right, the goal is to get this thing running. It's been here a week. We've been waiting on this ABS module. It's bad enough I have to explain to the customer why it won't start because of an ABS module. Remember, guys, this is on CAN C, all right along with the PCM. So if you got problems with ABS or PCM, it could potentially strand you or keep you from starting. In this case, like I told y'all earlier, I think I did, I'm not getting a brake signal input. Let me share with you a couple of things, how important a brake input is. Okay, number one, this is a push start. So what are the first thing you have to do in order to start the car? You have to push the brake pedal, right? Matter of fact, let me go inside and explain this. First, let me see if I fixed it. All right, I just got the module on there. I got that battery ground hooked back up. Yeah, let me turn this on. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, see the first thing. Oh, see, I heard the interlock kick in. When I press the brake pedal, I heard it crunching in here. That means the interlock kick in. That means I am now getting my brake input, which also means I should be able to do this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. There you go. Scared the hell out of me. Oh, sorry, I'm monetized. It starts, guys, simply because I have a brake input. That thing is very important, guys. Yes, it's a sensor on the brake pedal to detect when the brake pedal is pressed. A lot of modules is looking for that input. ABS, PCM, everybody. I had a code in the PCM as well as the ABS module saying brake input not there, basically. So what you do from there is find out why the brake input is not there. In this case, the brake input wasn't being bust from the ABS module. Hope I'm saying that right. All right, so, and it wasn't being bust because the ABS module was dead, internally shorted. Guys, in order for a module to work, you got to have 12 volts, a 12 volt supply, ground, as well as a bus input, bus wires, communications. All right, I had 12 volts and ground. I gambled a little bit. I mean, be careful doing that, but I've done these enough to know what I can and can't get away with. I had my 12 volts and ground, and I unable to talk to the ABS module. That tells me that it's internally open. All right, short circuit inside. I don't know. Yes, from there, yeah, my estimate will include the ABS module, and in some cases I'll write up a brake switch input, but I didn't on this one, so ABS module turned out to be the only thing it needed. Now, notice, guys, the ABS light is blinking. That is because I am not finished. All right, this ABS module, I'm getting my brake input, but it's not married to the car, guys. A phrase we call initialize. I will have to initialize this ABS module to this car in order for those ABS lights to stop working. In fact, I'm gonna put a screenshot of the fault code that is telling me before I initialize it. So let me say this to you guys that don't have the proper scan tool and can't do this. You might not want to take on the job. Okay, be careful when a customer, how much you charge to put on an ABS module? Because JT them down the street charging way too much.
You know, your backyard mechanic, I do that damn thing. Well, I got you now. I can do it for $100. $100.
And the customer agree and give it to you. You put it on, but you can't go. Okay, you can drive, but you can't. You limited on the things you can do because he can't complete the job because he don't have the proper scan to initialize it. I don't know if that's inside you guys scan too. I'm just talking, but if it's not, you might want to be careful about taking the job. I have that capability with the scan tool I use, so I can take on that job. So I'm not done with this car. Yes, I'm happy to start. That's the reason she brought it in. But let me look at this, guys. This window was down. Remember, this is the one with the windows down here. The switch, there isn't even no lever on the switch. Holy crap, that should have been a concern. So let me initialize this. How do you initialize it? Like I say, it's a computer-based thing. I'll try to get y'all some screenshots. How about that? All right, y'all hold tight, man. Alrighty, guys, real quick, let me show you a trick, a secret. Not so much a secret. When you're dealing with a cheap customer, well, let me take that back. I don't want to say cheap. They very well may not have the money, all right, and that's unfortunate. But I cannot park this car outside with this window down. This was towed in with the windows down with a plastic bag on it. Okay, so when that happened, guys, take your flathead screwdriver and manually close these contacts to bring this window up. Let me see something. Okay, I went the wrong way. That's down. So if I take, can y'all see that? If I take my screwdriver and go this way, there you go. All right, so it's all about contacts. Now I can lead that up. Yeah, they don't have the money, or they don't want to fix it, or they say it's, and they're right. It's easy enough to do it yourself, but I can't park car outside with the window down, so I manually put it up, guys. I don't know, have a heart, I guess. Hashtag freaking shorts. Alrighty, guys, just my luck. I'm on my way to test drive this car. So I just put the ABS module on, and look, some clown mechanic got screws laying in the floor. I hit one, and here you go. It's bad enough this tire is freaking bald, so I know it's likely a chance that it penetrated through. So I'm gonna have to plug this thing. Thank goodness it's in the center. Imagine plugging a tire that's already freaking worn. I don't know, I might get lucky. It might then, oh yeah, it penetrated big time. All right, guys, just a short video. Yeah, I'm gonna have to plug this tire. So y'all know how to plug tires, right? Yeah, so next one I do, and I got a tripod for those. I know it's a DIY channel. A lot of you guys are new to a lot of things, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. So when I get a chance to do my next plug, make sure I do it right from a learning standpoint. All right, I'm rushing through this one because this is a hashtag short video, man. Y'all stay tuned.